Hey guys and girls, so this is a follow-up to the follow-up video, excuse my fingers, of the dethatching video, the Mastercraft 14-inch 7 or 10 amp dethatcher. So we've gone back over the grass. We've taken my mower with the bag on it just to suck up all the thatch. That there is about a 30-year-old Mastercraft or Canadian Tire mower with a Tecumseh engine. Still going, knock on wood. And yeah, you want to talk about longevity of products, you know, look at that one there. So anyways, we got a full bag of thatch. You can see just how light this is. There is some seedling stuff, some green grass in here that was starting to grow. Obviously hadn't had a chance to really root in. Most of the stuff that came out of the front was really light stuff. This stuff back here, we got a lot of tree cover and shade. It's not in yet, but yeah, it's really hard to grow grass back here, so I think that's part of the issue. But anyways, full bag. I don't usually like to fill up a bag this much, but unfortunately this is the only bag I've got left, and it's not like you can just run out to the store and grab one. You have to call ahead to order it and all that stuff, curbside pickup, pandemic, whatever. So anyways, I think I pulled out probably 4.5 full-size bags. It's great. Like, why would you know, first of all, break your back with a rake? And then even if you did use this thatcher, why would you use a rake to rake it up? We have all this modern technology, this great technology to assist us with stuff like this. So yeah, so dethatch, run the mower over it, bag it, put it at the curb. Easy. If you like the video, thumbs up. Didn't like the video, thumbs down. Think about hitting subscribe. Putting up stuff all the time. Till next video, take her easy.